children, now I am going to take English for you. Okay children, if English textbook is with you now children, please take that book and please open page number 18. Okay children, page number 18. So all of you open children, page number 18. So this is a poem about how to be busy. Okay children, busy means ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ poem about how to be busy. You must be busy every time doing that work, this work and all. Okay children, so I'll read this poem. Listen carefully. Have you ever seen a busy bee? So bee means Jane. So you have seen no that bee will be busy every time doing something work. No children? How do you like to spend your time? So children, how do you like to spend, whether lazy or busy? So you must be busy, no, you must not be lazy. Next, do you want to be as busy as bee or would like to take a nap whenever you are free? So what is your wish children? You want to be busy like a bee or you want to take rest whenever you are free, or you want to do work? So you want to do work to children, you must be busy like that bee, Jenu. So it will be busy, no, like that you must be every time, must not be lazy. No children? So this is a poem about let's get busy. So I'll read this poem, listen carefully. The baker's busy baking bread, the farmer's busy growing, the fisherman is catching fish and rowing. The cow is busy giving milk for butter, too, and cheese. The ice cream man is busy as so many kinds of freeze. And mother's busy cooking, so we know what we will do. We will set the table all ourselves, that's being busy too. There, everything is ready and pretty now and neat, and all the busyness is done, so let's sit down and eat. So this author is explaining, saying something about what we want to do. We must not be lazy, we must be busy every time. So first, baker means, so they will be baking something, no, in the bakery. The man will be standing and doing something in the bakery, no, so they are called baker. One who bakes a bread, cake and all, for them we will call them as baker. So this baker is busy baking bread, biscuit and all. Next, this farmer means raita. So he will be busy growing wheat, paddy and all in the, he will be busy growing in the field. Next, the fisherman will be busy catching the fish near the sea, and he will be rowing the boat every time to catch the fish. Next, the cow is busy giving milk. So this cow means asu. So that also will be busy every time, it will be giving milk. So from that milk we will do butter and cheese. No children? And this ice cream, one who sells ice cream, we will call them as ice cream man. No children? So he is also busy selling so many kinds of ice creams. No children? Next, what will be your mother doing in the kitchen? So she will be cooking the food. She will be busy, no, cooking the food and making rice, chapati, dosa and all. Every time she will be busy making something in the kitchen. No children? So these children are saying that our mother is busy in baking in the kitchen, so we must do our work ourselves. Come, let us set the table cleanly by ourselves. We can only set the table, that will be busy for us. And afterwards they'll set the table and keep the things neat, and they'll say that everything is ready and it is looking very pretty and neat. No children? And in the last they will sit down and eat what mother has cooked in the kitchen. No children? So once again I'll read with the spellings. TH the BAKERS bakers, BUSY busy, BAKING baking, BREAD bread. The bakers busy baking bread. TH the FARMERS farmers, BUSY busy, GROWING growing. TH the FISHERMAN fisherman, IS is CATCHING catching, FISH fish. And ROWING rowing, ROWING rowing, ROWING rowing, and rowing. TH the COW IS is BUSY busy, GIVING giving, MILK milk. For BUTTER butter, TOO2 and CHEES cheese. TH the ICERAM cream, MAN man, IS is BUSIEST busiest. SO MANY many, KINDS kinds, OF of FRE is a deep freeze. And MOTHERS mothers, BUSY busy, COOKING cooking. SOSO WV KNOW no, WHAT what, WVLL we will, DO do, WILL will, we will, SET set, TH the TABLE table, ALL all, OURSELVES ourselves, THAT apostrophe S that's, BING being, BUSY busy, TOO2. TH here there, EV ERY every, THING thing, everything, IS is READY ready, and PRETTY pretty, NOW now, and NEAT neat, and ALL all, TH the BUSY busy, NESS busyness, IS is DON done. SOSO LET apostrophe S let's, SID sit, DOWN down, and EAT eat. So once again I'll read this poem. The bakers busy baking bread, the farmers busy growing, the fisherman is catching fish and rowing. The cow is busy giving milk for butter too and cheese. The ice cream man is busiest, so many kinds of freeze. And mother's busy cooking, so we know what we will do. We will set the table on ourselves, that's being busy too. There everything is ready and pretty now and neat, and all the busyness is done, so let's sit down and eat. So this is a poem. I will explain in Kannada also. ಬೇಕರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಬೇಕರು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡು ಕೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮರು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಶರ್ಮ್ಯಾನು ಬೋಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಫಿಶ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬೋಟ್ನ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಮೀನು ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕವ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಹಸುನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಲು ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಜು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಹಾಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಾಲಿಂದ ತುಪ್ಪ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು. ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಐಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಾ ನಾವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಟೇಬಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಟೇಬಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಮಮ್ಮಿನೂ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಪೊಯಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Shall I ask some question children? Why is the baker busy? So why is busy? So the baker is busy baking bread. Now children, so the baker will bake the bread. Next question. Why is the farmer busy? So the farmer is busy growing crops and all in the field. Now children, next. Who is the busiest person children? The ice cream man is the busiest person. Next, fourth one. Why is the mother busy? So the mother is busy cooking the food. Now children, mother will be every time busy cooking the food and washing the clothes, washing the utensils and all. Now children, in your house also. So next question. The poet talked about different persons in the poem. Name them. So the poet said so many persons' name. So who is that person children? So the poet talked about different persons in the name. They are baker, farmer, fisherman, ice cream man and mother. So 5 persons this poet told. Who are they? They are baker, fisherman, farmer, cow, ice cream man and mother. Now children, next. Fill in the blanks using clue kit. So the baker bakes dash. So what will the baker do? So he will bake the bread. Now children, next. The fisherman catches. What the fisherman will catch? So the fisherman will catch fish. So in the dash, fish will come. Third one. The cow gives us dash. What will the cow give? So the cow gives us milk. So in the dash, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Fourth one. Dash sells ice cream. So who will sell ice cream children? Ice cream man will sell ice cream. Fifth one. The farmer grows dash. What will the farmer grow? The farmer will grow crops. Now children, so the baker bakes bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Second one, the fisherman catches fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Third one, the cow gives milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Fourth one, ice cream man sells ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M-M-A-N, ice cream man. Fifth one, the farmer grows crop, C-R-O-P, crop. Okay, children, next meanings. What is the meaning of baking means? Cooking by direct heat. Next, rowing. Driving a boat by means of oars. Next, freeze. Turned into ice. Next meaning, cheese. Food made from pressed curds of milk. Next, pretty. Pretty means attractive. Okay, children? Next page. Yeah, given some dash and words. So you must complete that one. First one is B-A-K-E-R, baker. Second one, bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Third one, farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Fourth one, fisherman, F-I-S-H-E-R-M-A-N, fisherman. Fifth one, catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Sixth one, rowing, R-O-W-I-N-G, rowing. Seventh one, milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Eighth one, butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Ninth one, cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Tenth one, breeze, freeze, F-R-E-E-Z-D, freeze. No children? So, these are the words. Next is, make new words by dropping first letter. So, they are given here table. So, I must not write first letter. The other next of 3-4 letters will be there, no? That you must write in the dash. So, next 4 letters are able, A-B-L-E, able, table, able. Next one, second one, grow. They are given grow. You must leave G and write next 3 letters. So, that is row, R-O-W, row. Third one, bread. So, you must leave first letter, that is B, and write next 4 letters. So, that is read, R-E-A-D, read, bread, read. Next fourth one, butter. So, in this also you must leave B and write next 5 letters. That is utter, U-T-T-E-R, utter. Next one, no, K-N-O-W, no is there. So, you must leave K and write N-O-W, now. Sixth one, down. So, first letter is D. So, you must remove that one and write next 3 letters. That is on, O-W-N, on. Next, they given match the rhyming words. Okay, children. First, in the A side, fish, cook, freeze, bread, table is there. In the B side, cable, wish, thread, book, breeze is there. So, for fish, the rhyming words in the B side is wish. Second one, cook, in the B side, book. Third one, freeze, in the B side, breeze. Next, bread, in the B side, thread. Next, table, in the B side, cable. So, these are the rhyming words. Fish, wish, cook, book, freeze, breeze, bread, thread, table, cable. Okay, children? So, these are the lessons, poem in the lesson number 4, let's get busy. Okay, children? I think you could have understood this poem. In the next class, I will give you notes. Okay, children? Thank you, children.